Myths are often dismissed as fairy tales, but what if they are actually history that we forgot? Here are the top 5 scientific discoveries that prove ancient legends might be real. We start at number 5 with the Great Flood. Almost every culture, from the Bible to the Epic of Gilgamesh, tells of a massive flood that swallowed the world. In the late 90s, geologists Robert Ballard and William Ryan discovered evidence that 7,500 years ago, the Mediterranean Sea burst through the Bosporus Strait with the force of 200 Niagara Falls, rapidly flooding the Black Sea and submerging over 60,000 square miles of land. At number 4 is the City of Dwarka. In Hindu mythology, Lord Krishna ruled a magnificent city made of gold and crystal that was swallowed by the ocean. For centuries, historians thought it was pure fiction. But in 2001, marine archaeologists found ruins of a massive ancient city, 120 feet underwater in the Gulf of Cambay, dating back 9,000 years. What if the Mahabharata isn't just a story, but a record of a lost Ice Age civilization? Number 3 is the Hobbits of Flores. Legends in Indonesia speak of the Ebu Gogo, small, hairy, forest-dwelling people who stole food and spoke in murmurs. In 2003, scientists discovered the remains of Homo floresiensis. What if our ancestors didn't imagine monsters, but actually lived beside other human species? At number 2 is the Troy of Homer. For thousands of years, the Trojan War was considered a myth invented by poets. Then in the 1870s, Heinrich Schliemann followed the geographical clues in the Iliad and dug in modern-day Turkey. He found massive defensive walls and evidence of a city destroyed by fire exactly when the legend said it happened. What if the Iliad is actually a war documentary? Finally, at number 1 is the Vimanas. Ancient Sanskrit texts described flying palaces called Vimanas that used mercury vortex engines and weapons that sound like nuclear bombs. While we haven't found a spaceship, recently declassified documents show that modern aerospace engineers have studied these texts for clues on propulsion. With sightings of UAPs defying physics today, what if we are just rediscovering technology that was lost thousands of years ago?